I had just finished working out and I just came home and it felt really, really sneezy. And I really don't know what happened. I don't know what I got allergic to, but something was bothering me. It's probably just because it's summer and there's a lot of dander and pollen in the air. I don't know, probably the flowers or the trees. There's so many things that I'm allergic to. It just really, it kind of bothers me. It's really annoying. I'm gonna go back out and go back to the gym and work out a little bit. See you soon. Bye. Wait. Yeah, I'm gonna work out before I fall asleep.